For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
It's been more than 2 weeks since we lost one of the finest stars of Bollywood, Sushant Singh Rajput. The news came as a shocker to all, and his fans have been impulsive ever since. In the latest, SSR's fans have demanded CBI probe in his suicide case. Twitter is flooded with #PM-do-CBI inquiry for SSR. Fans vent their ire against Mumbai Police's investigation and called it shoddy. SSR's fans believe that his death was a murder and that police have not been performing its duty properly.
We know we have lost him and cannot bring him back. We, his fans, knew his value and also how much we loved him, but never got to know what he was going through. Please pay attention to our request. Don't expect anything from police. They are just dragging the case to such an extent that people forget it easily, and the main culprit, Mahesh Bhatt, gets an easy escape. It's time CBI should enter and take the matter into their hands.
If the so-called dear actors of our film industry are actually innocent, why don't they just come up and ask for CBI inquiry? #PM-do-CBI inquiry for SSR. Mumbai Police has recorded statements of more than 30 people so far. The latest to join the list was SSR's last film, Dil Bechara co-star Sanjana Sanghi. Police recorded Sanjana's statement on the evening of June 30th. On June 30th, the police also received Sushant Singh's Viscera report. The Viscera report has come out negative and has no traces of any chemicals in SSR's internal organs, rubbishing all claims of murder. However, fans are not satisfied with the reports and have been accusing police personnel of not effectively investigating the case. Recently, famous Swedish YouTuber PewDiePie also spoke about Sushant Singh Rajput's death and extends his condolences. Just a few days ago, Indian cricketer Manoj Tiwari reacted to SSR's death and investigation. Manoj took to Twitter to express his disappointment and blamed media for not giving enough coverage to the issue.
The amount of media coverage Taimur Ali Khan gets, I just wish news channels wake up from sleep and start covering Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Not a single debate in prime time on him. Nation wants to know Sushant Singh Rajput.
Every day, SSR's fans have been trending one new hashtag to seek people's attention on the issue and for a strict investigation. Many still blame Mahesh Bhatt for the actor's death, while others have been backlashing all the actors for supporting and being a part of nepotism in Bollywood.